Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best paper bubble wrap is probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly packaging solutions available today, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional plastic bubble wrap without compromising on protective qualities. This innovative material utilizes air pockets trapped within paper layers to cushion your items, making it an excellent choice for shipping fragile goods while appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Its unique construction ensures that your products arrive safely at their destination, all while reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a greener planet. Number 5. Duck Brand Small Bubble Cushioning Wrap. Introducing our Small Bubble Cushioning Wrap. Its small bubbles provide excellent conformability, perfect for protecting delicate and valuable items. Use it to fill empty spaces and add instant padding to your packages. This high-quality cushioning is durable enough for multiple uses, making it a sustainable choice. It's also recyclable through stored drop-off programs. Tear off exactly what you need with ease. It's perforated every 12 inches, allowing you to quickly create individual protective sheets for each item. Our wrap is incredibly light, ensuring it won't add significant weight to your boxes or mailers during shipping. Protect your items without the extra burden. Using it is simple. Just unroll the wrap and place your items bubble side in for optimal protection. Tear along the perforations for a perfect fit. Proudly made in America, you can trust the quality and reliability of this essential packing supply. What we like. This offers excellent cushioning with its small bubbles, perfect for delicate items. It's also perforated for easy tearing and can be reused. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile option for everyday packing needs, this is a great choice. What people say. This paper bubble wrap is a great alternative to plastic bubble wrap. It provides good cushioning and is easy to use. I love that this paper bubble wrap is eco-friendly and biodegradable. It's a sustainable choice for packing fragile items. The paper bubble wrap is surprisingly strong and durable. It held up well during shipping and protected my items effectively. Number 4. Ecoducer Honeycomb Packing Paper. Looking for a sustainable way to pack your belongings? Our honeycomb paper offers a fun and eco-friendly alternative to traditional plastic bubble wrap. It's better for the planet and just as enjoyable to use. Simply stretch this paper into its honeycomb shape and wrap your items. It easily conforms to irregular shapes, allowing you to create your desired thickness for protection without worry. Craft enthusiasts and online sellers will love the extra long rolls. You get significantly more length compared to standard rolls, perfect for all your creative projects and gift-giving needs. Forget scissors and tape. This wrap tears easily and can be twisted or gently squished to secure items. It streamlines the packing process, especially for awkwardly shaped objects. Feel good about your packaging choices. This recyclable product not only protects your items but also adds a bespoke, classy touch compared to plastic. Make the switch to a more sustainable option today. Your purchase includes not only the extra-long honeycomb paper but also jute twine and fragile moving labels. This provides you with versatile options for all your packing and shipping requirements. What we like. This provides a sustainable and fun way to pack, stretching significantly for more coverage. It's ideal for those who prioritize the environment and enjoy a more natural aesthetic. If you're looking for an eco-conscious option that offers great value and a unique look, consider this. What people say. Super durable and creates a safe barrier around your fragile items. The honeycomb roll is extremely compact in size, environmentally friendly, and no scissors are required. The paper is easy to stretch, wrap around items, and tear off at the end by hand. Accordion-like stretch to give 3D cushioning. Genius. Is biodegradable or can be burned and not have to worry about it floating in our oceans and waterways for millennia. Number 3. Bryco Goods Newsprint Packing Paper. Moving can be stressful, but protecting your delicate items doesn't have to be. Our packing paper ensures your dishes and fragile belongings arrive safely, minimizing damage during transit. This versatile paper is a home essential, perfect for more than just packing. Use it to wrap holiday decorations or store other items safely. You'll receive 320 sheets of unbleached, neutral color newsprint paper. Its natural hue is perfect for packing boxes and can also serve as effective box filler. Don't limit its use to just packing. This newsprint paper offers a wide range of applications for your everyday needs. Purchase with confidence knowing this product is made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. It's backed by Amazon's guarantee and customer service support. Specifically designed for protecting fragile items, this paper is your go-to solution. It's perfect for dish packing and as a crucial part of your moving supplies. What we like. This offers a large quantity of unprinted newsprint, perfect for protecting dishes and filling boxes. Its versatility extends beyond moving, making it a great household staple. If you need a cost-effective and multi-purpose paper for packing and storage, this is an excellent option. What people say. These papers are so nice and thick, to easily wrap each item securely. High quality. Work great for wrapping fragile or glass items for storage. Unlike bubble wrap or other plastic alternatives, packing paper is recyclable and biodegradable. Number 2. 12x 30 feet perforated bubble cushioning wrap. Keep your delicate items safe during moves and shipping. This wrap provides essential cushioning against damage, scratching, and corrosion. Tear off the perfect amount with ease. It's perforated every 12 inches, so you only use what you need for each package. Get 30 feet of protective cushioning in one convenient roll. It offers superior protection for all your fragile items. Built to withstand the journey, this wrap ensures your belongings arrive intact. It offers great value for all your packing needs. Perfect for protecting glassware, electronics, and collectibles. Use it for moving, storage, or shipping to prevent breakage. Ensure peace of mind when packing. This cushioning wrap is your go-to solution for safeguarding delicate possessions. What we like. This provides a convenient and durable solution for smaller items or specific packing needs. Its perforated design ensures easy handling and precise application. If you need a compact yet protective wrap for shipping, moving, or storage of delicate items, this is a practical choice. What people say. The paper bubble wrap is a great alternative to plastic bubble wrap, providing good cushioning for fragile items. It's easy to tear and use, making the packing process efficient. The paper bubbles are surprisingly durable and hold their shape well during transit. Number 1. Honeycomb Packing Paper Roll. Introducing an innovative and effective cushioning craft paper. It's the perfect alternative for protecting fragile items during transport. This honeycomb paper roll is degradable and recyclable, offering a sustainable alternative to plastic bubble wrap. Its unique structure enhances cushioning. Before stretching, it measures 15 wide and 131 foot long. When stretched, it expands to 14.5 wide and 209 foot long, saving you storage and transportation costs. The perforated design allows for easy tearing without the need for scissors. This significantly speeds up your packaging process. Ideal for a wide range of items, including tableware, glassware, artwork, and more. It effectively prevents breakage and damage during shipping. What we like. This innovative paper transforms into a honeycomb structure for excellent cushioning, offering a sustainable alternative to plastic. It's space-saving before stretching and easy to use. If you're seeking an eco-friendly, effective, and easy-to-handle protective wrap for fragile items, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Best feature, can tear it to size. Don't bother cutting it. Worked better if I expanded the honeycombs after tearing off the roll. For bowls, mugs, shaped items, this honeycomb paper is superior. It molds to fit the shape, inside of object, even the inside of mug's handle. You just wrap it, press it where you want, and it stays no tape. I appreciate the honeycomb design. Very easy to wrap fragiles and stack them together. Very useful for lining a box to keep things from moving around, especially if they are break. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.